Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, optical drive, M.2 solid-state drive, fan, and system board. Removal. Partially remove the wireless LAN antenna cables from their routing channel on the top cover until the speaker assembly cable is unobstructed. Remove the display panel cable from its routing channel on the left speaker. Pry the left speaker off of its alignment posts on the top cover. Remove the speaker assembly cable from its routing channel along the top cover. Pry the right speaker off of its alignment posts on the top cover. Remove the speaker assembly. Note: when removing the speakers, make note of the location and condition of the 4 rubber isolators. Damaged or missing isolators can degrade speaker performance. Replacement. Place the right speaker onto its alignment posts on the top cover. Route the speaker assembly cable through its routing channel along the top cover. Place the left speaker onto its alignment posts on the top cover. Route the display panel cable through its routing channel on the left speaker. Route the wireless LAN antenna cables through their routing channel on the top cover and over the speaker assembly cable.